And welcome to Grandad's Reviews. Now I thought I'd take another look at the Samyang 85mm. We're going to be shooting it on the X-T3 and I'm shooting it in F-log. We've got some swans, which is got a high contrast around here, so I thought I'd see how it turns out on F-log, how the grade comes out and what kind of quality we can get out of this lens. So we'll take a few shots and let's see what we get. Well, something I've learnt today, if I want to output the film simulation to the monitor and F-log to the SD card on this World 5-inch monitor, I can't have it in DCI 17:9. It's got to be 4K 16:9. Then I can output the actual Eterna film simulation to the monitor and have F-log on the SD card. You also find that you get, when you do that, you get a 1.18 times crop and you lose all of the information from the screen onto the exterior monitor. So there is some limitations to that. If you can put up with the F-log on the external monitor, it's fine. I'm shooting at T2.8 in 4K 2997. I'll open that up to T1.5. Darker the ND filter. I've got a variable ND filter on here because it's a bright day. So now focusing is a little more tricky. I'm going to close the aperture down. Let's go to 5 points. Let's go f8. Alright, shooting this at f11 now. I'm looking at the screen with the Belvia film simulation. And the peaking on the monitor is very good. Well impressed. we'll try this again at 1.5. Let's see what the focusing is like. 1.5. Working the ND down. Oh, not that much. So after having a look at all the footage that are shot on the Samyang 85mm T1.5, what do I actually think of it? I think it's an excellent lens for the money. It's got a what you could call a cinematic look to it. Very sharp. I have heard that some of the lenses coming out of the factory aren't as sharp as others. Probably down to quality control, but so far I've had no problems with any Samyang. 21mm that I'm filming on now is sharp. I've got the 10mm 2.8, which is very sharp, and again this one was as well. Very impressed with it. Log footage graded really well, no problem with that at all. So I think if you're after an 85mm for video making, or even if you want to get the photography version, which only difference is that the apertures aren't declicked and there's none of these gears on it, I don't think you'd go wrong, far wrong. So yes, in my opinion, highly recommended. So that was my second look at the 85mm Samyang T1.5 cine lens. We give it a thumbs up. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. If you want to see more videos, hit that subscribe button. If you want to be notified when videos come out, hit that bell button. Until next time, see you later.